Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this detailed troubleshooting guide for DTC P0366, which stands for Camshaft Position Sensor B and Crankshaft Position Sensor Incorrect Phase Detected. This error code indicates a malfunction that occurs when the measured phase from the camshaft position, CMP sensor B, differs significantly from the standard phase value of the exhaust camshaft. The primary components affected include the VTC, Variable Timing Control System, on the exhaust side, the camshaft timing, the VTC Oil Control Solenoid Valve B, and the cam chain assembly, which are essential for the engine's timing and overall function. The CMP sensors help to regulate the timing of the camshaft, ensuring optimal engine performance, and are located near the camshaft assembly, typically mounted to the engine block or cylinder head. Identifying and addressing this DTC is crucial for maintaining engine function and performance. DTC P0366 directly relates to the Camshaft Position Sensor B and the Crankshaft Position Sensor, indicating an incorrect phase detected within the engine's timing mechanism. The CMP and CKP sensors play vital roles in the engine's drivability and efficiency by ensuring proper synchronization of camshaft and crankshaft positions. Specifically, the CMP sensor B monitors the phase of the exhaust camshaft, while the CKP sensor tracks the crankshaft. These sensors communicate data to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which uses this information to adjust timing. If discrepancies are found, as in this DTC, it indicates potential timing issues, which can lead to engine performance problems or increased emissions. The sensors are typically located adjacent to the camshaft and crankshaft, making them crucial components in the engine management system. Several possible causes could result in the DTC P0366 being triggered. Firstly, a faulty camshaft position sensor B is a typical first suspect, as it may not provide accurate readings of the exhaust camshaft phase. Secondly, any issues with the crankshaft position sensor could also result in timing discrepancies, as this sensor coordinates closely with the CMP sensor for engine timing. Furthermore, problems within the variable timing control system on the exhaust side may disrupt the correct camshaft operation. Lastly, physical issues such as damage or stretching of the cam chain can affect the synchronization between the camshaft and crankshaft, leading to miscommunications and phase errors. All these points emphasize the importance of a thorough inspection to identify the root causes accurately. When experiencing DTC P0366, several symptoms may become evident during vehicle operation. An initial symptom could be poor engine performance, where the car may struggle during acceleration or exhibit sluggishness. Additionally, drivers might notice increased emissions, which can result in failing emissions tests and can lead to higher environmental impact. Unstable idle is another symptom, where the engine may fluctuate between RPMs, introducing vibrations and less smooth operation. Lastly, the engine warning light will likely illuminate, serving as a direct notification that an issue has been detected within the engine management system. Collectively, these symptoms demonstrate the critical need for timely diagnostics and repairs to maintain engine health and performance. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0366 involves safely preparing the vehicle for inspection. To begin, ensure that the vehicle is turned off and that the engine has cooled down to below 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. This is crucial to avoid burns or injury while inspecting the engine components. Next, start the engine and allow it to idle without any load. This means placing an automatic transmission in park or neutral for a manual transmission. Idle time allows the engine management system to stabilize and permits any abnormalities in the camshaft and crankshaft signals to become apparent. Completing this step provides baseline data for further diagnostics by ensuring the engine runs under no additional stress, which is vital for accurate test results. In the second troubleshooting step, the technician should turn on the vehicle to the on position without starting the engine. This is essential for preparing the onboard diagnostic system for testing. Next, connect the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, and select the EX-VTC function. The HDS serves as an interface for monitoring various engine parameters, including the variable timing control system status. Once the system is set up, check the test results to see if any error messages appear. If the test results indicate "not okay," this confirms that the failure has been duplicated. This step is crucial in verifying the presence of the DTC and helps to streamline further diagnostics, ensuring that the technician addresses the correct areas in the system. In the third step of troubleshooting, begin by turning the vehicle off again and allowing the engine to cool down below 104 degrees Fahrenheit. It's important to ensure that the engine is not heated, as this could lead to inaccurate results while performing diagnostics. Once cooled, the next task is to test drive the vehicle at a steady speed between 19 to 37 miles per hour, approximately 30 to 60 kilometers per hour, for at least 10 minutes. This test drive allows for conditions under which sensor readings are optimal and ensures the engine can properly reach operational status during the drive. After the drive, confirm that the HDS indicates that the EX-VTC exclusive variable timing control status is on, indicating normal operation. During this process, keep an eye on the HDS's OBD status to continue monitoring for DTC P0366. After completing the necessary repairs or adjustments in response to the DTC P0366 findings, it's vital to conduct a final repair verification. This phase begins with clearing the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System to reset the onboard diagnostics. Once cleared, run through the inspection process again to check for any reemergence of fault codes. This is essential to verify that the previous issues have been resolved. Finally, confirm that all systems are functioning as intended, especially the variable timing control functionality associated with the camshaft position. Testing helps to ensure that the repairs made truly rectified the issues and that the vehicle is now operating within design specifications. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in avoiding issues like DTC P0366. Regularly inspecting timing components, such as the cam and crankshaft, along with the associated sensors, can help identify wear or problems before they escalate. Maintaining optimal oil levels and quality allows for better lubrication of moving parts, including the VTC and associated sensors. Furthermore, routinely monitoring engine performance through test drives and diagnostics ensures that any deviations from normal operating conditions are caught early. Establishing a maintenance schedule, including routine checks of the cam chain and adjustment of the variable timing settings, can significantly reduce the likelihood of seeing this DTC in the future, thus promoting vehicle reliability and longevity. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0366 is vital for maintaining the health of a Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. Recognizing the implications of this error code, including the associated components and symptoms, allows for efficient diagnosis and repair. Following the detailed troubleshooting steps ensures a systematic approach to resolving the issue effectively. Finally, implementing preventive measures is crucial in promoting long-term vehicle health, helping to avoid reoccurrence of the DTC and ensuring optimal engine performance. Regular maintenance, inspections, and timely interventions not only address present issues, but also enhance overall vehicle reliability and safety, leading to a more enjoyable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!